I'm going to be doing a new hair tutorial today, and it's going to be a little bit of a challenge because I'm dealing with pretty bad unruly curls that just did not work out. I had a wash day 2 days ago and I think my curls are just overwhelmed right now. I'm overwhelmed right now. There's just too much moisture in the air. I don't know, I think they're just over moisturized. They were just looking a little bit limp, but the hair texture was still really soft and smooth and silky, so I think that's what the problem is. But I'm still learning. My hair is transitioning basically, so it's kind of trial and error at this point. So I was pretty much not able to wear my hair down from the minute it dried, so I had to tie it up. So my curls are just kind of, they're not really curls right now, they're just I don't know what you call them, they're just unbrushed, I don't know, unbrushed hair at the moment. So that's what we're dealing with. I also had a gym day this morning, so I'm expecting it to be like really really knotty. I'm not looking forward to this brush out. So yeah, I'm gonna pack it with some coconut oil just to help me ease out the knots a little bit, but I'm gonna be really sparing because I know that there is a lot of moisture in my hair already. Yeah, we'll see how we go. I'm not even too sure what hairstyle I'm gonna end up with at this point. I think I'm gonna go for 2 plaits at the kind of peaks of the side. This is the most unruly part of my hair. I don't know why. Yeah, get these sorted out. So I love to plait these and also do some edges. So I might just do some plaits here and cross them over and do some finger coils at the front. I'm really feeling the high pony lifestyle right now, but we'll just see how it works out when I brush my hair, because I don't know if my hair is really ready to be loose in a pony. So we'll see how we go.